Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add more columns into your Google Sheets file. So here is my columns or my table here, and then if you want to add some new columns, you can just block the columns that already exist. For example, I want to add 3 more columns to the left, to the right, to your right. You can just block the 3 last column and then right click and click on insert 3 columns right. Then as you can see, the column has been added into your Google Sheets file. Okay, that's so easy. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can add more columns into your Google Sheets file. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.